Vacuuming removes loose dirt, but grime and sticky dirt requires chemistry. Dry cleaning carpets is the safest and most environmentally friendly way to remove sticky dirt and grime in the home. I've covered all the common cleaning methods in the video in the first link in the description, including why dry cleaning works so well. I've also made a video on general dry cleaning of carpets in the second link. In this video, I'll demonstrate cleaning a big stain to show it really does work. This brightly coloured rug has a big dried on mud stain. First, you need to vacuum all the loose dry dirt particles up. This is because you don't want the dry dirt to dissolve back into solution, making the problem worse and harder to clean. Most of the dry mud is removed from the fibres and pile by doing this. The rest is chemically stuck on the fibrous surfaces. Then sprinkle down some Microsponges. I'm using Dyzolv here, but there are plenty of other products out there. The amount you need to use depends on how severe the staining. If you don't use enough, you won't get good results. Now you need to scrub. The more you scrub those Microsponges around between the fibres, the cleaner it gets. Just like cleaning anything. Scrubbing in different directions helps reach more fibres. Then you just need to leave it to dry for half an hour, during which time you can walk on it because it's not soaking wet and growing mould and hatching mite eggs like a nasty water-based carpet washer would have left it. The short drying process keeps the chemistry dissolving and absorbing dirt into the sponges. And when they're fully dry, they don't stick anymore and become like loose dust. The final step is to vacuum all the dirty sponge dust away when you get around to it, leaving behind the completely clean carpet. If the stain was really severe or old, it might take another go, but that's true for any method. Again, some stains might be indelible, like bleach, in which case you're probably stuffed. If you look around at the different manufacturers of microsponge powder for the home, they imply only spot cleaning. But this technology is used by professional cleaning services and evidenced to be a superior approach for full carpet deep cleaning, surpassing bonnet, foam, wet extraction, and steam cleaning across different metrics. So you'd think there'd be home grade machines out there to help make the job easier. There are plenty of commercial grade machines. A handful of companies manufacture ones like these, but these cost thousands and are rented or sold to local cleaning companies who provide commercial and home professional cleaning services. The technology works amazingly, as demonstrated in some really great YouTube videos. The lack of affordable home machines for dry cleaning carpets is really surprising, especially given the abundance of affordable home-grade, nasty water-based wet cleaners. I suspect they've only not taken off because convenient and affordable technology hasn't been available, and this method of cleaning hasn't been marketed strongly enough for people to realise why it's the best. Admittedly, back in the day, Dyson, who, unsurprisingly, recognised the superiority of dry cleaning technology, made a home product called the Dyzolv. It was essentially their top-of-the-range vacuum cleaner at the time, but which allowed you to effectively keep the brush bar on when the suction was off, to help scrub their version of the microsponge technology, called Dyzolv, through the carpet. The machine was later discontinued, possibly because using the machine this way was a hassle. They've no other machine available today to do the job, despite still making the otherwise brilliant Dyzolv microsponge powder. Sibo are the only company I know of which currently offer a product which would fit in the home category. It's a smaller version of the large commercial products, but it isn't widely available and is still fairly expensive at £300. There's a potential home user market here if a machine and microsponges were affordable enough, in case any entrepreneurs with vision are watching. Although, as you've seen, a brush works fine too. I hope you learned something from this video, and thanks for watching.